Welcome back to Grow Joyfully. Believe it or not, we had 4 more inches of snow last night. The wind was blowing and howling and the blizzard was blizzarding. It was awful. There's Lucy with her friend the squirrel up in the tree. I've got to get out there and get the animals fed, so come along. You can hear a snowplow over there on the road. It's really a different year. And we hear that there's going to be some more today. I'm so over winter. Time to let the girls out. There you go. Come on, guys. No? Nothing? You don't like the snow either? I don't blame you. Well, let's get you some scratch. See if that helps. Here we go. No? Oh my goodness. You don't want to come out, do you? I don't blame you. There, that's better. Come out and have some scratch. There you go. That's better. It's a weird and cold day, isn't it? There you go. There's some more. I was finally able to get the lid off of their waterer. I've got to wash it off and clean it off today. And at least this handle's working now. I brought a lot of hot water out with me just in case. The scrub brush has got to be under here somewhere. There it is. Now to scrub their waterer. I got their water all clean, and I'm hauling it back to the chicken coop. These girls don't even want to go outside today. Looks like it might be in the coop day. There's the little Cochin bantam. Every day her feathers look better. They're filling in. They look thicker. I'm very glad for her. It was pretty cold to go without feathers. Time to go feed George. My daughter put more bedding down in his pen, trying to keep him warm and cozy. Actually, the snow adds a layer of insulation that does help to keep things a little bit warmer. Neville, what are you doing, buddy? My cats are the most acrobatic things I've ever seen. Crazy kitties. Time to feed Hopper. I haven't seen Buddy the bunny around, but I keep leaving him food just in case. Gotta give Hopper his hay and get his water. With the snow coming, it's warmed up a little, and at least their waters aren't freezing. Binks the kitty cat. Hi, Binksy. Time to put the cover back on George's cage here to keep his food dry, keep him dry. Oh, such a nice warm kitty cat. You're very warm. How do you manage to stay so warm out here in this cold? Hmm? All the animals have food, water, and shelter. Time to go collect the eggs. That water did come in handy that I hauled out here. I'm keeping an extra bucket of water in the chicken coop for the chickens. We're only getting about 9 eggs a day, maybe sometimes more. But we definitely have more chickens than that. Not every chicken lays an egg every day. The brown and white leghorns lay the most eggs that I know of. But it's very interesting to pull up a chart on Google and see what chickens lay and how often. Okay, everyone is fed and tidied away. Time to go look in my greenhouse, see how everything is. Lucy's got water, and I need to go to a Valentine's party for my cute little grandkids, so I better get on the stick and hurry up. How are you guys doing with your garden dreaming? I tell you, that's about all I think about. That's what keeps me going. I really, really need some time in the garden. And I don't mean this kind of time with snow up to my ankles. That's not my idea of a good time. How about yours? What's the first thing that you're going to plant out? Of course, my focus is always on my tomatoes, so that's a no-brainer. But I will be able to safely plant out peas and brassicas long before I can safely plant out tomatoes. There's that small airplane again. Time to let the cats out. Oh, I'm in my lovely greenhouse. I haven't been in here for days. So nice to be in here. I've got the Amana oranges coming up. Some Cherokee purple still. There's an orange jazz, a San Marzano or 2 or 3. Come on, guys, you can do this. Still don't have any of the peppers coming up. And down here, not much activity either. There's some northern ruby paste ones that are germinating right there. And this plant looks good. Some of the flowers down here. Oh, and the green acre cabbage and some of the brassicas. That looks so good. Got a sick chicken in quarantine here. I'm gonna get her cage cleaned out, give her more food and water. She's doing a lot better. I gave her ivermectin, and I'm seeing life just come back into her. This is crooked toe, because she has crooked toes. This 52-day tomato plant looks like it's dying, but it's getting some fruit that is ripening up. So strange. Dad, I had a cosmos growing in here, and it got so cold, it froze it. I'm done with winter. Have I mentioned that? The chicken is fed and watered, and so are the seedlings. Some of them are coming along, but it's coming along very slowly. I'm 15 minutes late for my grandkids' Valentine party. Shame on Grandma. I just had lots to do. Had to get a lot done this morning. So I'm going to run off and have a fun Valentine's Day. My husband's going to take me out to dinner tonight. And I want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. That you can find love in your heart to give others. And that you can get lots of love back. You have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you get outside if you can. Go love on somebody today, no matter who it is. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for stopping by.